If you have ever dreamed of walking on a glacier, relaxing in natural hot springs, or stargazing in one of the clearest skies on Earth, look no further. Welcome to New Zealand, a land where every turn reveals a new wonder. Many travelers feel stuck trying to plan the perfect trip. But the good news is you don't have to figure it out alone. Today, I'll take you through some fascinating fun facts about New Zealand. And then we'll explore the best places this amazing country has to offer together. Also, make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss the incredible way locals in New Zealand use nature itself to cook their meals. Did you know that New Zealand was the first country in the world to grant women the right to vote, leading the way in social progress as early as 1893? This pioneering spirit is matched by the country's breathtaking landscapes and unique wildlife, with no native land mammals except for bats. New Zealand's ecosystem is dominated by birds, including the iconic flightless kiwi, which has become a national symbol. In fact, there are more sheep than people in New Zealand, around 6 for every person, highlighting the country's deep connection to farming. This strong cultural heritage is reflected in the Māori traditions, such as the powerful haka, a war dance performed by the All Blacks rugby team, making them as famous off the field as they are on it. Adding to the country's natural wonders, New Zealand sits on the Pacific Ring of Fire, meaning it's home to active volcanoes and geothermal marvels like the bubbling mud pools and steaming geysers of Rotorua. If New Zealand's dramatic landscapes feel like scenes from the Lord of the Rings trilogy, it's because they are. Many of the epic vistas from the film were shot here, bringing even more global attention to this enchanting island nation. Milford Sound. Imagine a place where towering cliffs meet crystal clear waters, creating a landscape so surreal it feels like stepping into a painting. Welcome to Milford Sound, a breathtaking fjord that has earned its nickname as the 8th wonder of the world. Carved by glaciers over millions of years, Milford Sound is a testament to the raw power and beauty of nature. Picture yourself cruising through calm waters, surrounded by sheer rock faces that rise dramatically from the sea. These aren't just any cliffs, they soar to heights of over 200 meters, creating an awe-inspiring backdrop that dwarfs even the largest ships. But the true magic of Milford Sound lies in its ever-changing mood. One moment, you might be basking in sunshine, watching rainbows dance in the midst of thundering waterfalls. The next, a gentle rain could shroud the landscape in mystery, revealing hidden cascades that seem to appear out of nowhere. Speaking of waterfalls, don't miss the iconic Stirling and Bowen Falls. These majestic water features are not just beautiful, they're also crucial to the Sound's unique ecosystem. Did you know that Milford Sound is home to some of New Zealand's most fascinating wildlife? Keep your eyes peeled for playful dolphins surfing the bow waves of your boat, or spot New Zealand fur seals basking on sun-warmed rocks. If you're lucky, you might even catch a glimpse of the rare Fiordland-crested penguin waddling along the shore. The Milford Track, one of New Zealand's famous great walks, offers intrepid hikers the chance to experience the area's stunning beauty on foot. Lake Te Anau. Our journey continues to a place where water and sky create magic. Lake Te Anau is a lake that transforms from a dazzling jewel by day into a celestial wonder by night. As you approach the lake, you'll be struck by its extraordinary turquoise color. This isn't your typical blue lake. It's a vibrant, almost otherworldly hue that seems to glow from within. The secret behind this stunning color lies in the glacial flower suspended in the water. Fine rock particles ground by glaciers over countless years that scatter light in a way that creates the lake's signature blue-green tint. Perched on the lake shore, you'll find the Church of the Good Shepherd, a small stone chapel that has become one of New Zealand's most photographed landmarks. This charming building offers the perfect frame for the lake and mountains beyond, creating a scene that's nothing short of postcard perfect. But Lake Te Anau's beauty doesn't end when the sun goes down. As darkness falls, the area transforms into a stargazer's paradise. The lake is part of the UNESCO Dark Sky Reserve, recognized for having some of the clearest and darkest skies in the world. On a clear night, You can see the Milky Way stretching across the sky, its light reflected in the calm waters below. For those seeking a closer look at the cosmos, the Mount John Observatory offers world-class stargazing opportunities. Here, powerful telescopes reveal distant galaxies, nebulae, and star clusters, bringing the wonders of the universe within reach. Franz Josef and Fox glaciers from celestial wonders to earthly marvels. Our journey takes us to a place where ice meets rainforest. What natural phenomenon allows tropical plants to thrive just steps away from massive glaciers? The answer lies in one of New Zealand's most unique landscapes, Franz Josef and Fox glaciers. These icy giants are among the most accessible glaciers in the world, descending from the southern Alps to just 300 meters above sea level. Imagine walking on ice that is constantly changing, with Franz Josef Glacier retreating at an average rate of 70 meters per year. This rapid transformation highlights the impact of global warming and makes each visit a truly unique experience. Guided walks allow you to get up close to these massive ice structures, while helicopter tours provide breathtaking aerial views of the glaciers and surrounding landscape. Just a short distance away, Fox Glacier offers its own distinct spectacle. Slightly longer and less steep than Franz Josef, Fox Glacier stretches over 13 kilometers, offering an incredible experience from multiple angles. Whether you're hiking along its rugged path or taking a helicopter to land directly on the ice, this experience is a must for anyone visiting the region. For those seeking a different perspective, Lake Matheson offers a serene counterpoint to the dramatic glaciers, famous for its mirror-like reflections of Mount Cook and the surrounding peaks. This tranquil spot provides the perfect opportunity for photography enthusiasts to capture stunning images of New Zealand's natural beauty. Abel Tasman National Park. Our journey transitions from frozen landscapes to sunlit coastlines, revealing a new kind of paradise. In Abel Tasman National Park, you'll find yourself kayaking next to playful seals before wandering through vibrant green forests, all in the same day. Named after the Dutch explorer who first sighted New Zealand in 1642. This park offers a perfect combination of history and natural beauty. The Abel Tasman Coast Track, one of New Zealand's great walks, winds along the shoreline, offering breathtaking views of the Tasman Sea and opportunities to spot native wildlife. One of the best ways to experience the park's beauty is by kayak. Guided tours allow you to explore hidden coves and get up close to the local marine life. You might even spot seals basking on the rocks or dolphins playing in the waves. For those who prefer to stay on land, the park's many walking tracks offer stunning vistas and the chance to immerse yourself in native bush. The park is also rich in Maori and European heritage. As you explore, you'll encounter evidence of early Maori settlement and learn about the area's significance to local tribes. The park's accessibility is another unique feature. Unlike many remote wilderness areas, Abel Tasman can be enjoyed on a day trip from nearby towns, making it a popular choice for both locals and tourists. Wellington. Next on our journey is a city that defies expectations. Welcome to Wellington, New Zealand's vibrant capital city. Nestled between picturesque hills and a stunning harbor, this small metropolis packs a powerful cultural punch, earning its reputation as the coolest little capital in the world. Despite its compact size, Wellington offers a diverse range of experiences that cater to art enthusiasts, nature lovers, and foodies alike. At the heart of Wellington's cultural scene stands Te Papa Museum, a must-visit attraction that showcases New Zealand's rich heritage and natural history. This interactive museum brings the country's stories to life, offering visitors a deep dive into Maori culture, New Zealand's unique wildlife, and its geological wonders. As you explore the exhibits, you'll gain a newfound appreciation for the diverse tapestry that makes up New Zealand's identity. For a unique perspective on the city, hop aboard the iconic Wellington cable car. This historic funicular railway carries passengers from the central business district to the heights of Kelburn, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the city and harbour along the way. At the top, you'll find the beautiful botanic gardens, perfect for a leisurely stroll or a picnic surrounded by lush greenery. Tongariro National Park. The next place on our journey is a landscape that seems almost alien in comparison with other places. In Tongariro National Park, you can hike through volcanic craters, past emerald lakes, and steam vents, all while treading on sacred ground. Tongariro National Park is New Zealand's oldest national park and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Established in 1887, this park is a testament to both the country's natural wonders and its rich cultural heritage. The dramatic volcanic landscape, with its 3 active volcanoes, Tongariro, Ngauruhoe, and Ruapehu, creates scenery that's truly out of this world. At the heart of the park lies the Tongariro Alpine Crossing, often hailed as one of the best day hikes in the world. This 19.4 kilometers trek takes you through a diverse landscape of old lava flows, steam vents, and crater lakes. As you make your way along the trail, you'll be treated to breathtaking views of the park's most iconic features, including the famous Emerald Lakes. These stunning turquoise pools nestled in the volcanic terrain owe their vibrant color to the minerals dissolved in the water, a vivid reminder of the area's volcanic activity. But Tongariro National Park isn't just about hiking. In winter, Mount Ruapehu transforms into a skier's paradise. Here, you can carve down the slopes of an active volcano with steam rising from vents in the distance. For those seeking a less strenuous adventure, the park offers numerous shorter walks and viewpoints. One such gem is Taranaki Falls, where water cascades 20 meters down volcanic cliffs surrounded by native bush. It's a perfect spot for a picnic and some photography. Rotorua. From the volcanic slopes of Tongariro, we journey to a place where the Earth's fiery heart beats even closer to the surface. Welcome to Rotorua, where nature's power meets ancient Maori culture in a truly unique New Zealand experience. One of the must-visit spots in Rotorua is the Aotearoa Geothermal Wonderland. This otherworldly park is famous for its colorful hot springs and steaming landscapes. As you wander through the park, you'll encounter a palette of vibrant hues, from emerald greens to fiery oranges, each created by different mineral compositions in the water. At Aotearoa, you can witness the dramatic eruptions of the Pohutu Geyser, the largest active geyser in the southern hemisphere, surrounded by other impressive geothermal features. Pohutu shoots water up to 30 meters high, providing a spectacular display of nature's power. But Rotorua isn't just about its geothermal wonders. It's also a significant center for Maori culture, offering visitors the chance to experience traditional performances, storytelling, and local cuisine. You can visit a Maori village to learn about customs and enjoy a traditional hangi feast, a meal cooked using geothermal heat. It's a unique way to experience both the natural and cultural aspects of Rotorua. It's like Mother Nature prepared the meal for you. For those seeking a different kind of natural beauty, the Redwoods Forest offers scenic walking and biking trails through towering trees. This tranquil setting provides a stark contrast to the bubbling, steaming landscape elsewhere in Rotorua, showcasing the diversity of experiences this remarkable area has to offer. Hobbiton, Māori. Besides all these amazing places, there is one more worth mentioning. Just an hour's drive from Rotorua, you can step into the world of Middle-earth at Hobbiton in Māori. This stunning movie set, created for The Lord of the Rings and The Hobbit trilogies, offers a magical experience where you can explore the charming hobbit holes and immerse yourself in the cinematic wonder of this iconic location. Waiheke Island next. We sail to an island where vineyards meet golden beaches, all within reach of a major metropolis. How does Waiheke Island manage to offer a perfect blend of relaxation and sophistication? Just 35 minutes from Auckland, this island getaway offers a unique combination of world-class wines, stunning beaches, and breathtaking views. It's no wonder that over 1 million visitors flock to Waiheke each year, seeking a taste of its renowned vintages and a slice of its laid-back island life. Waiheke is home to more than 30 vineyards, each producing exceptional wines that have put this tiny island on the global wine map. As you explore the island, you'll find yourself surrounded by rolling hills covered in neat rows of vines, many offering panoramic views of the Hauraki Gulf. Cable Bay Vineyards is a must-visit, not just for its award-winning wines, but also for its stunning vistas of the sea and Auckland skyline in the distance. But Waiheek isn't just about wine. The island boasts some of the most beautiful beaches in the region. Wanatangi Beach, with its crescent of golden sand and clear waters, is perfect for swimming, sunbathing, or simply relaxing with a good book. As you stroll along the shore, you might spot locals and visitors alike enjoying picnics or trying their hand at various water sports. Auckland, as we bid farewell to Waiheek's golden beaches. A skyline emerges on the horizon. It's Auckland, a place where a thrilling urban playground coexists with lush landscapes and dormant volcanoes. Known as the City of Sails, Auckland serves as New Zealand's gateway to the world. This vibrant metropolis is home to nearly a third of the country's population. Yet it manages to strike a perfect balance between urban sophistication and natural beauty. Here, you can start your day with a coffee in a trendy downtown cafe, and end it watching the sunset from the top of an ancient volcano. One of Auckland's most iconic landmarks is the Sky Tower, standing tall at 328 meters. This architectural marvel offers more than just panoramic views of the city and harbor. For thrill seekers, it's a playground in the sky. Imagine walking around the exterior of the tower's pergola, 92 meters above the ground. Oh, if you're feeling particularly brave, taking the plunge with the sky jump, a controlled base jump from the tower that will send your heart racing. But Auckland's appeal isn't limited to its urban offerings. Just a short ferry ride from the city center lies Rangitoto Island, a volcanic island that last erupted 600 years ago. Hiking to the summit of this distinctive landmark rewards you with breathtaking views of the Hauraki Gulf and the Auckland skyline. Back in the heart of the city, the Viaduct Harbour showcases Auckland's maritime heritage and modern flair. This bustling waterfront precinct is lined with world-class restaurants, lively bars, and luxury yachts. It's the perfect spot to savor fresh seafood while watching the sun set over the harbor, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink. Bay of Islands. Lastly, we journey north to a place where history and nature intertwine. What if you could explore 144 islands, each with its own story, in a single destination? Welcome to the Bay of Islands, where every shore whispers tales of New Zealand's past and present. This subtropical paradise, just a short flight or scenic drive from Auckland, offers a perfect blend of natural beauty, rich history, and exciting adventures. The Bay of Islands is a haven for marine life, making it one of the best places in New Zealand for dolphin watching. One of the most iconic sites in the Bay of Islands is Motu Keiko, better known as the Hole in the Rock. This natural wonder is a testament to the power of the sea, which has carved a massive opening through a small island. Boat tours often pass through this opening, offering a unique perspective and a touch of excitement to your journey. For history enthusiasts, the charming town of Russell is a must-visit destination. Once known as the hellhole of the Pacific, due to its rowdy past, Russell has transformed into a quaint seaside town that exudes maritime charm. Stroll down its streets lined with historic buildings, and you'll feel like you've stepped back in time to New Zealand's early colonial days. The Bay of Islands isn't just about natural beauty and history. It's also a place of profound cultural significance. This region played a crucial role in New Zealand's founding, as it was here that the Treaty of Waitangi was signed in 1840. This pivotal document, which established a partnership between the British Crown and Maori chiefs, shaped the course of New Zealand's history and continues to influence the country today. Now that we've explored the wonders of New Zealand, I want to hear from you. Where would you go first? Will it be the majestic Milford Sound, the adrenaline-packed Queenstown, or perhaps the stargazing haven of Lake Te Anau? Let me know in the comments and share your dream New Zealand adventure. If you enjoyed this adventure, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on future explorations. Until next time, Safe travels. And I'll see you in the next video.